Hi guys, my name is Jessica Hassink. I am a daughter of somebody with PSP and a chair yoga instructor. I have chair yoga sessions the first Friday of every month if you're interested in joining, and they're virtual. So today we're just going to do a brief 20-minute chair yoga session to get our blood moving, maybe to try something new if you haven't tried chair yoga before. So I always start off my sessions with a few announcements or disclaimers. Please make sure you're in a chair that's sturdy. I often recommend having a chair that has armrests, if possible. If you're in a wheelchair, please make sure the brakes are on. It's also great if you have another care provider or a friend at home just for safety. So I'm in an office chair that swivels so you can see me, but please find something that's sturdy and also be aware of your surroundings before you start. So if there's something on the table next to you, you might want to move it. So just take a moment to review your environment and make sure that you're ready to go. So with all that, we're going to get started. Find yourself in a comfortable seat. Place your hands on your knees if that's comfortable for you. Close your eyes if that's comfortable. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose. Fill up through your lungs. Exhale out of your nose. Inhale again, fill up. Exhale out of your nose. A couple more deep breaths at your own pace. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. And on your next inhale, scrunch your shoulders up towards your ears like somebody was tickling you. So inhale, bring your shoulders up. Exhale, release, drop your shoulders down. Nice job, you guys. Inhale, bring those shoulders up again. Exhale, release. Nice job. Inhale, bring the shoulders up. Exhale, release. Nice job. Bring your palms out in front of you so your hands are facing each other. And if you're able, interlace your palms. Flip your palms toward the screen and push out. So getting a nice stretch between our shoulder blades. Nice job. You can stay here or maybe take a small side bend to the left side. Twist your spine. Make sure you feel balanced. Nice job. Back through center. Come back through and twist over to the right. Tiny twist. Making sure you feel stable. Push down on your feet. Nice job. Inhale, come back through center. And release. Nice job. When you're ready, we're going to flip our palms up towards the ceiling. Inhale, bring your arms up. Nice big stretch. Again, watch out for your surroundings. And when you're at the top, flip your palms down towards the ground. Exhale, push the air away like you're swimming. Nice work. Inhale, arms up. Get that blood flowing. Exhale, bring your arms down. Push the air away. A few more of these. Inhale as you raise your arms. And exhale. Nice job. A few more of these at your own pace. Remembering that everything I do is a suggestion, so you can add out or add in or take out anything that feels good for you. Nice job. Go at your own pace here. Nice job. And back down. You're gonna place your hands on your knees if that feels comfortable. And we're gonna do some small side bends. So drop your left shoulder, raise your right shoulder up, and feel a little bit of a side bend here on the right side of your spine, your right ribs. So again, drop that left shoulder. Stay here for a few breaths. Nice job. Now switch sides. Drop that right shoulder, lift the left shoulder up. Feel a side stretch here and opening up to the left side of your ribs. Keep breathing in and out of your nose. Now switch sides. Drop your left shoulder, right shoulder's up. And switch sides. Now take a few of these back and forth at your own pace. So just alternate dropping each shoulder. Notice if you can feel a stretch in your lower back. Nice job. All right, when you're ready, bring your left hand to your left knee. Flip your right palm up. Inhale, bring that right arm up towards the ceiling. Once you reach the top, you can stay here or take a small side bend over to the left side. Your body looks maybe like a half moon or a banana shape here. Small side bend. Nice job. Exhale, release. Bring that right arm down. Switch sides. Inhale, left arm up. Stay at the top or small side bend over to the right. Press into your left foot. Make sure you feel balanced. Keep breathing. Exhale, release. Now we'll take a couple of these a little bit quicker if that feels good for you. So inhale, right arm up. Maybe a small bend. Exhale, down. Inhale, left arm up. Stay at the top or a small bend. Exhale, down. Right arm. Inhale, left arm. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Couple more. Inhale, left arm up. Nice job, you guys. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice job. Now we're gonna go to some seated cat and cow stretches. So I'm gonna turn so you can see my side profile. Plant your feet in front of you, hands on top of your knees. On your inhale, you're going to roll your shoulders back, tip your chin up slightly if that feels okay. Inhale, expand through the front side of your body, and push your spine towards your knees. So open up through the front side of your body. Filling up with air. And then exhale, curve your spine, tuck your chin, bring your shoulders closer together, doming your back like a cat. Nice job. You can drop each shoulder here if that feels okay. Just get another little side stretch. Now cow pose, roll your shoulders back, open up through the front side of your body. Lift your gaze up. Create space between your front collarbones. And push your spine towards the front of your chair. Nice job. Keep breathing. Exhale, cat pose. Tuck your chin. Bring your shoulders closer together. Dome your back. Keep breathing. Inhale, open up, look up, roll your shoulders back, open up through the front side of your body. Nice job. Exhale, push your spine back. Bring your shoulders together. So take a few of these at your own pace, maybe speed up the pace if that feels okay. Inhale as you look up, reach up. Exhale, push your spine back. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you round your back. Keep breathing. Just go at your own pace. Remember, any movement is good movement. Let's do 2 more. Nice job, you guys. When you're ready, come back to a neutral position. Feet planted on the ground firmly in front of you. We're gonna do some arm circles. So be mindful here of your surroundings. Don't knock anything over. When you're ready, drop your right arm down by your side. Bring your arm out in front of you like you're gonna give somebody a handshake. Reach your arm up. And if you're able, and if you have space, bring your arm back behind you like you're swimming. And we're just gonna do some large arm circles on the right side. Nice job. You can inhale as you bring your arm up. Exhale as you drop your arm. Go at your own pace. Nice job, you guys. All right, I'll bring your right hand to your right knee. We'll switch sides. Drop your left arm down in front of you. Inhale, bring that left arm up like you're gonna shake someone's hand. Reach up all the way to the ceiling, extend. And if you're able, if you have space, turn your hand and then drop your arm behind you, creating a big circle motion. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, drop your arm. Take a few of these on the left side at your own pace. Nice job. Any movement is good movement. Couple more. Nice job, you guys. All right, come back through to a neutral position. You can have hands on your armrests or on your knees, whichever feels better. We're gonna warm up our lower body now. So if you're able, if you have space in your room, you're gonna take your right knee and your right toe and tap your toe out in front and diagonal, stretching out that right leg and bring it back through to center. Now switch sides. Take your left toe and tap your left toe diagonal to your space, stretching out your left leg, and bring it back. So we're going to do a few of these at a quicker pace if that's comfortable. Tap your right toe, tap your left toe. Warming up your lower body. Nice job, you guys. Now when you're ready, we're going to take our right foot up and we're going to push our right heel out and forward and bring your right toes back towards your face, finding a stretch in your right hamstring. So try to make that right leg straight if you can. You might feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Nice job. Now switch sides. Lift those left toes up. Push your right heel out. Sorry, your left heel out. And bring those toes towards your face, creating a nice long stretch in the left leg. Nice job. And lower down. We're going to take one last stretch, a spinal twist. So if you're able, we're going to twist our torso towards the left side of our room. If that's not an option for you, you can just bring your gaze to the left side of the room. But if you want a deeper stretch, take your right hand and bring it to your left knee. And then use your left hand as support to twist yourself over to the left side of the room. We're going to stay here for a couple breaths. You can close your eyes if that feels good. Nice job. Keep breathing in and out of your nose. Nice job. We're going to release, come back through to center. Take our left hand to our right knee and our right hand behind us. And we're going to just twist now to the right side of our room. Keep breathing in and out of your nose. Try to find a nice stretch without feeling any pain. Breathe in and out of your nose. Nice job. Now release, come back here to center. Take a deep breath in, bring your shoulders up towards your ears, fill up, 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 fill up. Exhale out of your mouth. Nice job. That is our 20-minute chair yoga session. Thanks so much for joining me. And just a reminder, you can join me every first Friday of the month through CurePSP's website. Thanks, guys.